Everyone, I am Arhan Kothari. I am a chartered accountant currently working at KPMG. I have passed out from Srijan Vidyalaya in 2016. So after seeing me here in this video, lot of student will be thinking यार भाषण देने आ गया है तो नहीं यार भाषण देने नहीं आया हूँ भाई लोग तुम लोग से सिर्फ बात करने आया हूँ तो लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माई स्टोरीज ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम्स हम लोग को आज बहुत स्ट्रगल हुआ है सबको 2 साल में लास्ट 2 साल में सबको ही कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ से रिलेटेड स्ट्रगल किए ही हैं तो मेरा स्ट्रगल क्या था कि मेरी स्टडीज़ उस टाइम मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा मेरा एम था कि मुझे सीए बनना है एंड माई एग्ज़ाम वाज इन मई 2020 एंड मार्च में सडनली लॉकडाउन लग गया अब हम लोग सबको अनसर्टेन कि भाई क्या होने वाला है आगे उसके बाद मेरे पोस्टपोन हुए एग्ज़ाम जून में हम लोग खुश कि हाँ 1 महीना और मिल गया भाई बट फिर देख रहे हैं कि जुलाई हो गया फिर एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल ही हो गए नवंबर में चले गए बट उस टाइम हम लोग को ये था कि भाई बनना है सीए कैसे एग्ज़ाम नहीं हो रहे कब होंगे क्या होंगे बहुत कन्फ्यूजन एवरी डे देयर वाज स्पेकुलेशन कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल हो जा रहे हैं पोस्टपोन हो जा रहे हैं 10 दिन बाद होंगे 20 दिन बाद बट हम लोग सब कन्फ्यूज थे क्या हो रहा है बट उस टाइम हम लोग का सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ हेल्प किया कि हम लोग को अपना मेरे को जैसे मेरा गोल पता था कि मुझे ये करना है एंड सेकेंड मैं हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहा कि नहीं भाई कुछ भी हो मुझे पॉजिटिव रह के अपनी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है तो आज एज अ स्टूडेंट मतलब एज अ सीनियर मैं अपनी तरफ से तुम लोग को यही बोलूँगा यार पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो फोकस दो इन्जॉय ज़रूर करो आई नो कि स्कूल लाइफ एक अलग इन्जॉयमेंट होता है बट अभी तुम लोग वो जा नहीं सकते हो कोविड के कारण बट यू मे इन्जॉय इट आफ्टर दैट इन कॉलेज एंड एवरी बट अभी स्टडीज़ पे फोकस करो भाई लोग ऑल द बेस्ट थैंक यू एवरीवन
Hello everyone, I am Adarsh Agrawal. I passed out of Sri Jain Vidyalaya in 2017, where I stood fourth all over West Bengal in 12th. I did my graduation from Shriram College of Commerce, New Delhi, and currently I am pursuing my articleship at EY and preparing for CA final. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Life in COVID has been pretty uncertain for all of us, and this is the new normal. First of all, I would like to have a conversation with class 11 and 12 students because I feel that this is the most crucial phase of your life. Whatever you will learn right now is going to stay with you for a long period of time and will help you in your further studies. So focus more and more on your studies and take my example. I got into the best college of the country based on my 12th results. So you can understand how important this phase is for your career. Coming to the class 8 to 10 students, there is a lot of thoughts maybe going on in your head whether to take science or commerce. It was the same situation for me as well. I would just like to advise you just don't go where your friend is going. It should be entirely your decision. If you want to take commerce, you should take commerce. If you want to take science, you should take science. During my time, my all the friends took science, and they were my mentors who suggested me to take science. But I was pretty much adamant that I want to take commerce. So it should be entirely your decision, and you will do well, whatever you will do. Just research a lot and talk to a lot of seniors before considering anything. Coming to the students who are below class 8, so I would like to tell you that focus more on improving yourself because you have all the time of your life and you have very much less responsibilities right now. So try to improve yourself and try to learn a lot of technical stuffs, be it Excel, be it PowerPoint, be it Adobe Photoshop, anything. And obviously focus on your studies. Just reach out to me for any help if, in case you need on any of the social media platform, and I'm always ready to help you out. Thanks a lot for listening to us and good luck.
Hello everyone, I am Hemant Kumar Malani. I passed out of Sri Jain Vidyalaya in 2016 and currently I am working as a senior actuarial associate in Digit General Insurance. First of all, what I feel is that I am not even qualified to motivate you guys. All of you have seen such a harsh phase in last 2 years of your life. the struggles which we saw when we started our professional life, when we started working, but you saw those days in your school life. You are already 2 steps ahead of me. So how can I motivate someone who is already 2 steps ahead of me? But I would just say one thing, that all of you have seen the two deadly waves of COVID in last 2 years, and if you are listening to me today, you have successfully come out of that. If you faced that difficulty, if you have come out of that, I'm sure that there's nothing else which you cannot face in your life. There is no difficulty which can stop you. इससे ज़्यादा घातक और क्या ही होगा यार लाइफ में. If you have seen this, I'm sure you can face any difficulty in your life. And just one more thing, that if you ever if you ever need any help, be rest assured that all your teachers, all your seniors are always there with you. And I'm not saying this just for the sake of saying it. I'm sharing my personal experience. Even till date, all the teachers and all the seniors are just a call away for me, and I'm sure that it is going to be the same for you. So all the best, and keep rocking. Bye bye.